I asked AI to change the color of my hair to brown and to change the color of my eyeglasses to blue to match my tie in the image. Hi guys, this is Umang. It's almost 11 p.m. here in Germany, and there's a war going on between US and Iran. But today I will be speaking not about the war and more about AI tool which can help you in your day-to-day life. So this is AI image generator and AI image to video generator tool which is for free, and I found it online, and I think should create a video to just show you how I'm using these tools in my day-to-day life. So here is one of my LinkedIn image that you already know me. I have black hair and a black eye frame, but I asked AI to change the color of my hair to brown and to change the color of my eyeglasses to blue to match my tie in the image. And I think it has done a fabulous work here. The second tool that I'm going to be talking about is the image to video tool. So I was able to give the AI one of my images, like this one where I'm swimming in the lake, and I asked AI to generate a video from this image because I was unable to generate or capture the video of myself there. So I asked it to do it for me, and it actually did a pretty nice work. Let me show it to you guys how it looks. It's a 6-second video. The person does not look exactly like me because the photo itself is not very clear, but I think when we see the person swimming, it's not that bad. And the model that I have chosen right now, I think if I use the Grok model from the X, but there was other model also, which is the VO Google AI model for free that I could have used in this video. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching.